Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we have a garden vac, and it's an Einhell garden vac. So I'm just going to do an unboxing and let you know how we get on with it, and obviously do a review of the tool itself or piece of equipment. But for my own personal use in the garden, it's getting to that time of year where I need to start doing the gardening again, have quite a bit of garden to cut, so I will get it unboxed and see what it's like. Never used one of these electric blower vacuums before. Looked at various makes. I just wanted something cheap and cheerful for us own back garden. So here we go, let's get it unboxed then. It's all compact inside this little box. You're thinking, how the hell did they get all that in there? And here we are. Fairly straightforward. The cable, this looks like the main body of it. It's got a bag there. The different pieces. And last but not least, the instructions. Put all this to one side. Have a look. Sprechen Sie Deutsch. Guarantee, warranty and service conditions. Depending on if you want a warranty or not, you have to register the product. And again, the original operating instructions. So, picture diagrams to help you put it together. Product list. What have you? There are lots of tubing. Lots of bags. So, let's make a move and start on it. So 1, 2, 3 here. So, that one, or is it that one? Right, so, start with the nozzle clips. So that just clips together. And screw that goes in there. Gonna need a screwdriver. Here we go, screwdriver. Next bit, 3, the put a screwdriver in there, and then stick those in here. Forward and screw. And I assume goes on the end. One more. There we go. Presumably the bag fits. Wow. So, probably about it. Shoulder strap. So you can attach it around your shoulder. There we go. Shoulder strap attaches there. That goes around your shoulder. So there you go. That's the Einhell GCEL 3024E 3000 watt garden vac blower. This clips up into place there like that, has trigger operation, and it also has a variable speed as well, so obviously you can control how fast it blows or sucks. So what we'll do with this is take it outside, do a bit of gardening and see how it performs outside in the garden. So you have a switch there to control the suction, so that's now in blow mode, so it will blow and suck in that mode. So it's just basically a massive vac for cleaning up. All the debris should collect inside this bag here. There's a window there to tell you when it's full. It has a zip so you can unload the bag quite easily. So like I said, we'll take this outside, we'll do some gardening, and we'll see how it performs outside picking up. Because that's the reason I bought it, is because we've got a lot of hedges to cut and grass to cut, and it's just quite handy to have something that can just pick up the pieces once, pick up the cuttings and everything once we've got it all done outside. It's just a bit of a pain up the proverbial butt with all the hedges and everything, all the leaves outside now, and we'll give it a good test. So this is the hedge that I've just cut. It's been left quite a while because obviously this is the first cut. Here we are, just racking up a clump of leaves. As you can see, it's pulling up the grafting side of it quite a bit, but they are quite branchy, they're not actually leaves, and they are still wet and damp, and it has been raining a little bit, so they're really lumpy anyway. But the bits that it is clearing up there, you can see it's picking it up quite easily. I mean, it's quite sure on the camera, but I thought I'd give it a good test on that. So I'm going to use the blower now. You can see me just blowing the leaves down to demonstrate, and probably using variable speed on it as well, just where you have it down to control the blowing side of it. So I can't usually just blow the leaves down into the edges of the wall here, and then I use the vacuum to pick them up, and also I have a few tools as well, which makes it a little bit easier as well to get into places. The vacuum coats through the leaves quite easily. It actually picks up quite a few of the pebbles and stones as well, which is why I use the variable speed. Need it to pick up the leaves garden waste in it and not anything else is. So it's quite important if you can just get the actual garden waste and the sap off the vacuum. It's quite a powerful little blower on it. It comes out of the bottom section. So there we go with the leaf blower vacuum. I would probably give this 7, maybe 8 out of 10 on a good day. It's depending on how strong you are, it is quite lightweight. It does balance quite well on the wheel, which is how I used it eventually for picking up off the ground. So I used the wheel and as a blower, basically holding it like that. The strap, sorry to say, it's not very good. It really has just been thrown in the box for whatever reason. If there's no padding on it, it does hurt your shoulder after a bit. The weight of that, although it's, like I said, fairly lightweight to pick up, it does eventually hold it down, and this just keeps slipping off your shoulder. So obviously when the bag's filling up as well, you get the weight of the leaves in the bag, and it does cause it to give you a bit of discomfort while you're trying to use it. So I decided not to use it. Might as well use the strength in my arms for using it. So like I said, I'll give it a decent 8 out of 10, to be honest. For the only reason it is quite powerful, it didn't struggle picking up the big clumps of leaves and that. But to be fair, it was quite wet today. It has been raining, so I've cut this hedge after a downpour, and obviously it rained a little bit while I was doing it as well. So the leaves are actually stuck to the ground and wet as well, which makes them slightly heavier and more difficult to pick up. As a leaf blower, very good. It did seem to have the power to blow the leaves out of the way, and also the added bonus of variable speed here, which you can control with your thumb. So if you feel it's going too powerful, or equally if it's sucking up anything and you want to control that, then you've got the variable speed on it. So that is a plus side of it. Another plus side of it is it has an extremely long cable with it. This is fitted with 13 amp molded plug, so that's always a bonus when you're using gardening equipment, because you generally do need to be able to reach where you need to go with it with any gardening equipment. So yeah, other than the slight negatives of the shoulder strap and maybe the bag as well, it possibly could have done with being a little bit bigger than that, but obviously it's down to the weight that you have to carry and who has to use it. Obviously with having the views, so if you are going to buy something or any piece of equipment, I would probably suggest getting some sort of padding, or go and buy a decent padded strap or something. So yeah, so there you go, that's the Einhell leaf blower, vacuum, garden vac, whatever you want to call it. And I will give it a thumbs up. It's not bad for the money I paid for it. So yeah, a good 8 out of 10 for that. I haven't got anything else to compare it with, to be honest. I have used the still petrol driven ones, and they're obviously a lot more powerful than one of these. So this is really a domestic do-it-yourself home type tool. But for your own garden, it's probably decent enough for that. So yeah, I'd give it a good thumbs up. It's value for money. It's quite sturdily built. It's quite powerful in the fact that it's got a 3000 watt motor, and it's really easy to put together and use. So yeah, thumbs up from me. So hope you got something out of this video today. If you have done, give it a thumbs up, a like, leave a few comments down below if you want. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in another video soon.